How to clear or delete the search history in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete or clear the search history in your Windows 11 PC. So in order to start, the first thing that you need to do is head on towards the settings of your Windows 11 computer. So to do this, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and when the taskbar appears, simply right click onto this start button, and from here simply choose the settings option. Then under the settings, you need to click onto this privacy and security tab onto the left hand side. So once you have clicked onto the privacy and security tab, you can see this particular page right here. Now from here, you can see this option of search permissions that include safe search, cloud content search, and search history as well. So this is the option that we need to choose, that is the search permissions. So simply click onto the search permissions and keep on scrolling until you can see this history tab. Then under the history tab, you have this option of search history on this device. To improve your search suggestions, let Windows Search store your search history locally on this device. So what you can do is simply disable this particular feature so that your history is not stored locally on this device. And then you have this button of clear device search history. So simply click onto this clear device search history button, and once you will do that, the device search history will be successfully cleared out from your Windows 11 computer. So these are basically the two things that you need to do to clear out the history on your Windows 11 device. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, and also don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.